Hi, my dear students. So, today we are going to learn about Karna Kandu, Pudi Karna, Krimi Karna, and Karna Srava Lakshanas and its treatment. So, in that first disease is Karna Kandu. You all know Karna Kandu, Karna Kandu. So, itching in the ear, that is Karna Kandu. According to Ashtang Hridaya, Kandu Shofo Kafa Srotre Sthirau Tatsapnyaya Smritau. Kandu Shofo Kafat Srotre Sthirau Tatsapnyaya Smritam. Kafat Kandu Shofo. Kapha, because of Kapha, both Kandu and Shofa will happen. So Karna Kandu and Karna Shofa both will happen due to the vitiation of Kapha dosha. So Kandu Shofa Kafat, where Srotre. Srotre means ear canal. Sthirau. Sthirau means it's long standing. It's Sthira. Tat Sapnyaya Smritau. Tat Sapnyaya Smritau. That is Karna Kandu and Karna Shofa. Karnau Sthiro Tat Sapnyo Kandu Shofa Kyo Bhavataha. So there will be itching in the ear, and in Karna Shofa there will be Shofa edema in the ear. Both the condition is caused by Kapha, and where it is happening in the Karna Srotra. Srotro means Karna Srotas. It is happening and it will be there for long time. Sthirau. So that is known as Karna Kandu. Karna Kandu is itching in the ears. So Kandu and Shopa, which is caused by Kapha in the ear canal and which will be there for a long time, that is known as Karna Kandu and also Karna Shofa. According to Susra Samhita, Kafena Kanduhu Prachitena Karnayo Prisham Bhavet Srodasi Karna Sapnidaha. Here also there will be itching in the ear which is caused by Kapha. Kafena Kanduhu Prachitena Karnayoho Prisham Bhavet Srodasi Karna Sapnidau. So Karnayor Prachidena, Samchidena, Prachidena, Samchinena, Sleshmana, Karna Srodasi, Prisham Atyartham Kandu. Very much itching will be there caused by which dosha? Kapha. So Kaphena Kandum Prachitena Karnayoho. In Karna there will be severe itching greatly by or severe strong itching caused by Kapha in the Karna, in the ear. It is strong, it is severe itching in the ear canal, that is Karna Kandu according to Susruta Samhita. So this is the Lakshana of Karna Kandu according to Ashtangridaya and Susruta. There is nothing, it is caused by Kapha and there will be itching in the ear, that is Karna Kandu. Both Ashtangridaya and Susruta Samhita, the same Lakshana is mentioning. So in Susruta Samhita is telling severe itching will be there in the Karna. So that is Karna Kandu. Chigilsa Kandvam kafapaham nasyadi. So Kandvam kafapaham nasyadi. Tadvat shofe abhi kadushnescha atra lepanam. So Kandvam kafapaham nasyadi. So nasyadi should be given with what? Kafapaham. That means Kaphahara drugs. Using Kaphahara aushadas we have to do nasyadi chikilsa. So, which will mitigate kapha. That treatment should be given using kaphahara dravyas in Karna Kandu. In Shofa also same treatment Tatvat Shofe Abhi. The same treatment, that is Kapahara Chikilsa, should be given in Shofa also. Also we can give Kadushnescha Atra Lepanam. We can do Lepanam. Lepanam means applying medicine over paste over the ear which having the property of Kadu and Ushna property dravya. Using Kadu and Ushna property drugs we can give Lepana over the ear. That is the treatment for Shofa. In Kandu, Kapahara Dravyas, using Kapahara Dravyas, Natsyadi Chikitsa can be given. The same treatment can be given for Shofa also. And in Shofa, we can give Lepana over the ear area using Kadu and Ushna Dravyas. This is according to Ashtanga. According to Susra Samhita, Nadi Sveto Atha Vamanam Dhumo Murtha Virejanam Vidischa Kabakrit Sarvam Karna Kandum Apohati. So in Karna Kandu, Nadi Sweta is using a pipe. We can give Svedana. This is a picture. Nadi Sweta. So this is we can use a pipe normally for pain and all. In other parts of the body also they used to give the kashaya or the milk boiled with the dravya. So here we can take apahara dravya and we can using a boil that one, and using a pipe we can give svedana in that area. So here we can give that nadi sveda over the ears. Atha vamanam as chikitsa for kabahara. Dhumo. Duma can be given. This is Duma. Duma can be given using a pipe in the ear. Murtha Virejanam. So also Murtha Virejanam Nasya can be given. Vidischa Kabahrit Sarvam. All the Kabahara treatment should be given in Karna Kandum. Karna Kandum Apohade. So we can give Nadi Svedha, Vamanam, Dhumam, Nasya Adi karmas, all that will cause mitigating, that will reduce kabahara. Using kabahara dravyas and kabahara chikitsa can be given in Karna Kandu. So this is the chikitsa for Karna Kandu. So in Ashtanga Hridaya, Karna Kandu and Shofa is mentioned together. There Acharya is telling it is a Kaba disease, so we have to give the chikitsa. Kabahara chikitsa Nasyadi can be given, but Kabahara Dravya should be given. And in Shofa, we can give a leba using Kadu and Ushna Dravyas. In Susra Samhita, Nadi Sveda, Vamanam, Dhumam, Nasyam, and all using Kabahara Dravyas can be given in Karna Kandu. That is about Karna Kandu. Karna Kandu is nothing but it is a itching in the ear. Ear is having itching. That is Karna Kandu. So that is a kapha predominant disease. So Kapahara Chikitsa should be given. Next comes Pudi Karna. Kapo Vidagdaha Pittena Sarujam Nirujam tu api. Khana Pudi Bahu Kledam Kurude Pudi Karnakam. Kabo vidagdaha pittena. Kapha getting vidagdaha, degdaha, getting burned. That is also incompletely cooked by. Kapo vidagdaha. Vidagdaha means not completely cooked but incompletely cooked by pitta. Pittena. Sarujau nirujo to abi. So with pain or without pain, what will come? Khana pudi bahu kledam kurude. That is known as Pudi Karnam. From ear, discharge will come which looks like khana, very thick. Pudi, pustular, purulent pus, discharge. Bahu, lot of, very much. So, Bahu Kledam, discharge will come out of the ear with or without pain. Sarujam, Nirujam to Abi. It is because of kapha. Kapha is getting incompletely cooked by pitta. So, kafo vidagdaha pittena. Kapha is getting incompletely cooked by pitta will cause sarujo nirujam, with pain or without pain, a thick purulent discharge will come out of the ear. That is known as Pudi Karna according to Ashtanga Hridaya. According to Susra Samhita, Sthide Kafe Srotasi Pitta Tejasa Vilaya Mane Prisha Sampratapavan Avedano va abhi athava savedano khanam sraved pudischa pudi karnakaha. Sthite kafe srodasi pitta tejasam vilayamane prisha sampratapavan. So kapha is getting liquefied because of pitta tejasa. Pitta tejasa vilayamane kaphe. It will cause avedana va abhisavedana va. With pain or without pain, khanam sravet pudischa pudi karnaha. Thick Pudi discharge, pustular purulent discharge will come out of the ear. That is known as Pudi Karna. So here also Sthide Kaphe Srodasi. Kapha is there in the Srodas and it is getting liquefied using because of the Pitta Tejas. Pitta, because of the heat of the Pitta, it is getting liquefied and there is a Pudi, Khanam Sraved Pudi. Thick discharge will come out of the ear with or without pain. Avedana va api adava savedana. With pain or without pain, that discharge, thick discharge will come out of the ear. That is known as Pudi Karna. So this is the lection of Pudi Karna. So in Ashtanga Hridaya also, in Susra Samhita also, Acharya is telling a thick discharge where pustular purulent discharge will come out of the ear with or without pain. Here the kapha is getting liquefied by the heat of the pitta. So this is Pudi Karna. Chikilsa. कृतं रसाञ्जनं नार्याः क्षीरेण संयुतं तत्प्रशस्तं चिरोथे अपि सास्रावो पूदीकर्णके निर्गुण्डीस्वरस तैलं सिन्धुधूमरजो गुडः पूरणं पूदीकर्णस्य शमनो मधु संयुतम्. This is from Susra Samhita. In Ashtanga Hridaya and Susra Samhita, Pudi Karna, Krimi Karna and Karna Srava, the Chikilsas are treatments are same. But some places Acharya mentioned about Vishesha Chikilsa in Susra Samhita. He is mentioning Vishesha Chikilsa for Pudi Karna, that is this sloka. Kridam Rasanjanam Naryaha Kshirena Madhu Samyutam. Tat prashastam chirothe abhi sasrave pudi karnake. So in a discharge in pudi karna, which is a chronic chirothe, if it is a chronic stage also we can give this karna puranam using kritam rasanjanam naryaha kshire madhu samyudam. So kritam rasanjana macerated with shira nari kshiram. In breast milk mixed with krita and madhu can be used for purana in pudi karna, which is even it is a chronic condition, we will get result. So nirgundi swarasa, this is another yoga. Nirgundi swarasa tailam sindhu dhumarajo gudaha puranam pudi karnasya shamano madhu samyutam. Nirgundi Swarasa, Swarasa of Nirgundi, Tailam, Tila Tailam, Sindur, Sindur is Saindhava, Dhumarajo, that a house, from the house, kitchen, what that Rajasa. Duma, because of the burning of wood in the kitchen and from the walls we can get that Duma Rajas, right? So from the house we can collect it from the kitchen. So that is Duma Rajo, Gudaha, Jaggery, Puranam Pudai Karnasya Shamano Madhu Samyudaha. So we can do Karna Purana in Pudi Karna condition with these drugs mixed with Madhu. Honey we can do Purana. So Nirgundi Swarasam, Tilatailam, Saindavam, then Dhumaraja and Guda mixed with Madhu can be used for Karna Purana in Pudi Karna condition. This is one Vishesha Chikilsa for Pudi Karna. Next comes Krimi Karna. So that is Pudi Karna. Pudi Karna, there the kapha is getting liquefied because of the pitta, heat of the pitta, and it will cause discharge with or without pain, which the discharge is very purulent and pustular discharge, thick discharge will come. Next comes a Krimi Karna. Vadadi Dushidam Srotram Mamsa Asrik Kledaja Rucham Khadando Jandavaha Kudia Tivramsa Krimikarnakaha Vadadi Dushidam Srotram. So here Vadadi Dushidam Srotram. Vadadi means all the Tridosha. Tridoshas aggravated. Dushidam Srotram Mamsa Asrikledaja Rujam Khadando Jandavaha Kuryad Tivram Sakrimi karnakaha. So this jandu will, that krimi or worms will eat what? Mamsa asri kledajam. So mamsa asri kledajam of the ear. Srotram mamsa asri kledajam. That will eat the mamsa and asrik of the ear and will cause Tivram rujam. So will cause severe pain. Kuryuhu Tivram rujam. Sa krimi karnakaha. That is known as krimi karna. So vadadi dushidam srotram. In Tridosha Visheted Srotra, in Tridosha Visheted Srotra, Kadando Jandavaha. The Jandus will eat what? Mamsadi, Mamsa Asrik Kledajaha. So Mamsa Asrik Kledajaha. Rucham, Tivram Rucham, it will eat the Mamsa and Asrik of the ear and will cause severe pain in the ear. That is known as Krimi Karnakaha. So that is according to Ashtanga Hridaya. So Vadadi Dushidam Srotram, the Tridoshas getting vitiated, there Khadando Jandavaha, there the Jandus will eat Mamsa and Asrik and will cause Tivra Ruja in the ears. That is known as Krimi Karnakaha. This is according to Ashtanga Hridaya. In Susra Samhita, Yathatu Murchantyatava api Jandavaha Srijanti Apatyanyatava api Makshikaha Tad Tad Janatvat Sravanu Niruchyate Bhikshakbhir Adyehi Krimikarnako Gataha. Here in Susra Samhita, the Acharya is mentioning Yathatu Murchandi Athava Abhijandavaha Srijandi. So Murchandi means Padati. It fallen on there in the ear, or Srijandi, which will crawl and came. Apatyan Api Atava. That means Apatyani means Sushma Krimi. That small organisms that will also come to the ear. Makshika. Makshika means fly will come and tad jandu sravano niruchyate, that will get sticked in the ear canal, and that condition is known as krimi karnaga according to Susra Samhita. So these jandus are patati, it's falling, or it will crawl and come, or api adava makshikaha, fly like insects, or a small krimi is coming and get sticked in the ear, and that condition is known as krimikarna according to Susruta Samhita. So in Ashtanga Hridaya, Acharya is telling Vadadi Dushite Srotram. So Tridosha getting vitiated, and what will happen? Khadando Janduhu. Jandus will eat Mamsa Asrik Kledaja of the ear and will cause severe pain in the ear. That is known as Krimikarnaka. According to Susra Samhita, Jandus from outside getting stick in the ears, and that condition is known as Krimikarnaka. चिकित्सा कर्णस्रावोत्थितं कुर्यात् पूदी कृमिकर्णयोः पूरणं कटुतैलेन विशेषेण कृमिकर्णके. So karnasravothitam kuryat. In karnasrava, what all chikitsa is mentioned, the same can be given here also in pudi karna and krimi karnaka. Puranam kadutailena visheshat krimi karnake. So in krimi karna, vishesh chikitsa is karna purana using kadu taila. So using kadu taila we can do karna purana. Karna, so here this is from Ashtanga Hridaya. In Ashtanga Hridaya, Karnasrava as a separate disease is not mentioned, but in Karna Shula one symptom is Karna Srava, and in Chikilsa also in Karna Shula Chikilsa each Vada Pitta Kapha and Kapha Sandipachita and Rektaja Acharya mentioning for each time how to clean the ear with Karna Srava, right? So that we have to follow here. So Karnasravotidam Kuryat Pudi Krimi Karnayoho Puranam Kadutailena. Kadutaila Purana can be given in Krimi Karna. Krimi Karnaka Nashartham Krimiknam Yochayed Vitim. It is according to Susra Samhita. So in Krimi Karnaka, the Krimi Nasha which kills the Krimi, that treatment should be followed. So in Krimi chapter, Acharya mentioned those treatments that we have to follow here also. Vatarku Dhumascha Hidaha Sarshapasneha Evascha. So in Krimikarna we can give Dhuma using Vatarku, and also we can do Purana with Sarshaba Taila. कृमिघ्नं हरितालेन गवामूत्रयुतेनश्च गुगुलो कर्णदौर्गन्ध्ये धूपनं श्रेष्ठमुच्यते चर्दनं धूमपानं च कबलस्यश्च धारणम्. So here in Krimikarna, this is according to Susru Samhita, Krimikna is Vidanga, Haridalena, Gava Mutra Yudenascha. So Purana, Karna Purana can be done with Vidanga, Haritala and Gava Mutra, cow's urine. And also Guguloho Karnadorgantasya Dubanam Sreshta Muchede. Gugulu Dubana. Using Gugulu, we have to give Karna Dubana. That is very much important in Karna Daurgandhya, which is having ear patient with ear discharge with a smelly Daurgandhyam, smelly ear discharge. Then we have to do Duma, Karna Duma using Gugulu. Chardanam, Dhumapanam cha Kabalasyascha Dharanam. So we can also give Charvamanam, Dhumapanam and also Kabala. All this treatment can be given in a Krimi Karna patient. So what all things we have to do in Krimi Karna, according to Ashtanga Hridaya, Karna Srava Chikitsa can be given. Also Kadutaila Karna Purana can be given. And according to Susra Samhita, Krimikna Chikitsa, all the Krimikna Chikitsa that will kill the Krimi. In the Krimi chapter, Acharya mentioned some Chikitsa that we can follow here. Also Duma using Vadarka and also Sarshapataila Karna Purana. Acharya also mentioned about Karna Purana using Krimikna Vidanga, Haritala and mixed with cow's urine, or Gugulu. Gugulu can be used for Karna Dupana. And also we have to give Vamana, Dhumapana and Kapala in case of Krimikarna. So now next comes Karna Khandu is over. Karna Khandu, Pudi Karna, Krimikarna is over. Now next comes Karna Srava. Karna Srava is only mentioned in Susra Samhita. Shiro abhikhatat athava nimajjado jale prabhagat athava abhividradehe sravetu bhuyam sravano anilavrataha sakarna samsrava iti prakrtitaha. Shiro abhikhatat athava nimajjado jale prabhagat athava abhividradehe sravetu bhuyam sravano anilavrataha sakarna samsravam iti Prakrtitaha. So Karnasrava, first Karnasrava Nidana is mentioning. Karnasrava is caused because of Shiro Abhikata, injury to the head. Athava Nibajjado Jale, or otherwise swimming in the jala, in the pool, pond or pool. Nimajjado Jale, immersing in water. Prabhagat athava abhividratehe, due to paga in the air or due to karna vidrati. Because of that, there will be sravetu puyam sravane. There will be discharge from the ear. Anila avrataha. It is because of anila avrata. Avaranam by anila. So karna samsrava iti prakrtitaha. This the condition is known as karna srava. So, because of Shiro Abhikada, the injury to the head, or because of immersing in water, or because of Paga in the ear, or after Karna Vitradi, there will be Srava from there will be a discharge coming out from the ear. That condition is known as Karna Srava. Karnasrava can be correlated to chronic suppurative otitis media, CSOM. And ASOM and CSOM is there, acute suppurative otitis media and chronic suppurative otitis media. So Karnasrava is more aptly to chronic suppurative otitis media. Chikilsa कर्णस्रावे पूदीकर्णे तथैव कृमिकर्णके समानं कर्मं कुर्वीत योगान् वैशेषिकान् अपि. So in Susra Samhita also, Acharya mentioned for Karnasrava, Pudhikarna and Krimikarna, we can use same treatment. This is a Vishesha Chikitsa. Shiro Virejanamscha eva Dhupanam Puranam Tata Pramarjanam Dhavanam cha Viksha Avacharet Raja Vrikshadi Toyena Surasadi Ganena va. So In Karnasrava, Sirovirechanam, Nasya can be given cha eva Dubanam. Karna Dubana can be given Puranam. Karna Purana can be given Pramarjanam. Pramarjanam means cleaning using cotton. Pramarjanam, Davanam means Prakshalanam, washing the ear. Viksha Avajadayet. We have to carefully look into the ear and we can do this treatment. So Nasya can be given Dubana Karna Duba, Karna Puranam, Karna Pramarjanam, cleaning of the ears, and Davanam. Davanam is washing of the ears can be given. These are the drugs we can use for washing. Rajavrikshadi Toyena. Rajavriksha is Aragvada. Aragvadadi Toyena Surasadi Ganena. Surasadi Gana or Surasadi Ganadrevyas can be used for making kashaya and for using for prakshalana or davana. So this is the treatment for Karnasrava. So same treatment can be given Shiro Virechanam, Karna Dubanam, Karna Puranam, otherwise Karna Pramarjanam, which is cleaning of ears, and Karna Davanam, washing of ears. So we can use Aragvadadi or Raja Surasadi Gana Devyas for making Kashaya and doing Prakshalanam of the ear. Also, Karnaprakshalanam Karyam Churniresham cha Puranam. Karnaprakshalana can be given, and also we can Purana, we can fill the ears with the churna of Aragvadadi Rajavrikshagana or Surasadikana Drevyas. We can do Purana with the those drugs, or also we can do Karnaprakshalana. Kwadam Panchakashayam tu Kabittarasa Yojidam Karnasave Prashamsande Puranam Maduna Saha. So Karna Purana can be given using Panchakashaya Kwadam, that is Panchavalkala Kwadam. Kabitha Rasa Yojidam mixed with Kabitha Rasa, Karnasrave Prashamsande Puranam Maduna Saha, and also mixed with the Madhu. So Panchavalkala Kashaya mixed with Kabitha and Madhu and honey can be used for Purana in Karnasrava. Sarjatvak Churna Samyuktam Karpasi Balajo Rasaha Yojito Madhuno Va Api Karnasave Prashasyade. So Sarjatvak Churna Samyuktam Karpasi Balajo Rasaha. So Karpasi Balarasa and Sarjatvak Churna can be mixed, and along with Madhu we can do Karna Puranam. Laksha Rasanjanam Sarjachurnitam Karna Sarjachurnitam Karna Puranam. So Laksha Rasanjanam Sarjachurnam. With these also we can do Karna Puranam. Sashevalam Mahavriksha Jambu Amra Prasavayutam Kulira Kshaudra Mandhugi Siddham Tailam Cha Pujitam. So Taila made with Shaivalam, Mahavriksham, Jambu Amra, the tender leaves, Jambu Amra, Prasavayudam, Kulira. Kulira is Karkadaga Sringi. Kulira, Kshaudra, Mandhugi Siddham. Kshaudra, Mandhugi Siddham with and Taila. All this mixed with this. Prepared Taila can be used for Karna Purana in Karnasrava condition. So this is the Chikitsa for Karnasrava. So Karna Prakshalanam and Purana using Churna of Surasadikana and Raja Aragvadadikana can be given, and also Prakshalana using Panchavalkala Kashaya along with the Kabitha Rasa and Madhu, and also Karnapurana using Sarjatvak Churnam, Karpasi Phalam, Phalarasam, and mixed with Madhu. Also Laksha Rasanjanam and Sarja Churna can be used for Karnapuranam, and also Shaivalam, Mahavriksham, Jambu Amra Prasava, Kulira, Kshaudra Mandhugi, Siddha Thailam. With all these things, Thaila should be prepared, and we can do Karnapurana using that Thaila. Karnachitre Vardamanam Kidam Kledam Aladiva Sringena Abahare Diman Athava Abhi Shalagaya. This one, while I was teaching Karna Gudaka, I gave the same sloka. So in Karna Chidra, in the ear canal, if there is Kida, Kleda, there is worm or a discharge or any dirt, then we can use Sringena Abaharet. Using the horn of animal, we can make a vacuum and we can extract the content from the ear canal. Athava abhishalagaya, or using a hook or a shalaga, using a rod, we can clean the karna chidra, that means ear canal. So these are the treatment for Pudi Karna, Krimi Karna, and Karna Srava. Hope you all understood Karna Kandu, Krimi Karna, Pudi Karna, and Karna Srava. Thank you.